What if I told you this is your personal assistant, translator, interpreter and your creative video director? This is not just Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is the first AI phone ever released by Samsung in the 2024. And in today's video, we are going to unbox this violet titanium color with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The reason for choosing this violet titanium is because this color looks somewhat rare and not just like other titanium colors. Black and white are most selling colors and I thought why just not to try this new violet titanium color. So this is the box. You can see this is actually a imported piece from Kuwait, and let us unbox this. So if we open, at the first we have this phone. I have bought this violet titanium color and this is how the phone looks. So keeping the phone aside, let's see the box accessories. If we open this, we have this box, and let's open this. So here we have the SIM ejecting tool, then we have the quick start guide, then we have the USB type C to type C cable. So that's it in the packaging, and now let us get into this in-depth mobile review. Coming to the specifications of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, it has 6.8 inches QHD plus Infinity-O Dynamic AMOLED display and the refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz with Corning Gorilla armor protection. Then Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy 4nm processor is also used with 12GB of RAM, which is LPDDR5, and with 256GB 512 1TB storage with UFS 4.0. And the rear camera has an 200 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization plus 50MP for digital zoom up to 100x, 5 times optical zoom periscopic plus 10MP for 3x optical zoom and telephoto, then 12MP for ultra wide, and except ultra wide, every lens has optical image stabilization. Coming to the front camera, it has 12 megapixel with aperture f2.2 and it has a battery of 5000 mAh which supports 45 watts fast charging with 15 watts wireless and 4.5 watts reverse wireless charging. As we have seen the unboxing of this Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, let us dive into the in detail AI features review in this. So I have been using this phone for the last 10 to 15 days and I will be sharing all the AI features I have noticed in this S24 Ultra. Also, starting from tomorrow, we are having the Prime Day sales, and in the Prime Day sales, we are getting this Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra at a just 75,000 rupees. So if you are interested, I will give the link in the description. So make sure to check out the phone through the link given in the description. So now let us see the AI features of this Samsung S24 Ultra. So this is the first Galaxy phone with Galaxy AI. Now let us test the AI features of this. So I have took out the S Pen out of this and let us see the features clearly. So first on the screen, if you see, I have took some of the photos. So this is how a macro shot image looks like. So you can see. So coming to the features, first if you click on the image and down you can see this AI button. So if you click on this and if we select this object, so I have selected the bucket and you can see the bucket has been selected. So I am clicking on erase. So then click on generate. So if you click on generate, we can see that the image has been replaced by AI's own image. So I have clicked on erase and let us wait for it to create it. So here you can see the detailing background has been added automatically by AI. If you click on view original, you can see this is how the bucket looked, and after erasing it, it has perfectly blended the background. You can see it more clearly here. So that's how this feature works, and we can save the copy of the image. So next, if we see, here you can see some of the pictures of me. So this is my picture, and if you click on this pencil, and here you can see this enhance button. So after enhancing, you have some other features like generative edit, sketch to image, portrait studio. So my photo can be converted into a watercolor and click on generate. So we must wait for a few seconds for the AI to detect the image and generate. So you can see it has made a watercolor photo which has been used by my image. So if you don't like it, you can convert it to sketch as well. Sketch and click on generate. Here you can see a sketch type photo has been made. Then we have comic and 3D cartoon. So let's try 3D cartoon as well. Here you can see a 3D type cartoon has been made out of my image. It is kind of avatar. Then we can save this, or else we can discard. After discarding, you can see some of my images. You can see an image of me. Here I'll be clicking on this pencil, AI, and here I'll be selecting this helmet. So the helmet has been selected, and we can change the position of the helmet. After changing the position at a required place, click on generate and wait for the magic to happen. So it is telling adding the missing pieces, sculpting new scenery, and boom, you can see the helmet has been moved successfully over there. View original and this. You can see the difference clearly. Else, if you don't like this, you can also remove the same helmet out of the image. I have selected the helmet, click on erase and generate. There you can see it will automatically add the missing cloud as well. So the cloud part has been removed. Let us see how far the AI works. So you can see the AI has replaced clouds as well, original and AI generated. So this is how it looks. Now we also have this sketch feature. So this is my portrait, and I will be clicking on this AI button, and now sketch to image and generative edit. So now we will be changing to sketch to image, and we can add whatever image you want. Like if you want to add birds, you can add birds. Else if you want to add an aeroplane, you can add aeroplane as well. I am very bad at drawing, so please exempt me. Now I will click on generate. Let us see how far this will recognize the text I have drawn, and let's see how the sketch of the image looks. Yes, you can see. So it has added two birds and aeroplane as well. So this is how my sketch drawn, and this is how the AI generated the image. If you want more, you can click on generate more. So it will add some other features of the same image and will generate more kind of similar image in the next AI edit. So here this has totally converted that as an aeroplane. So this is how this sketch to image works. Also in the next feature, if we just click on the image and move it upward, then you can see a live effect. So if you click on live effect, it will add live effect to the image. Let us see how the live effect looks like. So you can see that the image is moving and my photo is stranded there. So making my photo dynamic, the background is moving. So this is how live effect or depth effect looks like. And coming to the next feature, you can see remaster. So if you click on remaster, it will enhance the quality of the image. So you can see this is the before photo and this is the after. You can see there is a change in clouds as well as my in color tone. So this is how the remaster feature looks. This is the before part and this is the after part. And if we see my image clearly, you can see that there is a change in image after and before, after making it remaster. And then you can also see that in any of these pictures, we can just click on generative edit and I have moved out of the frame. So you can see this blank space left over there, and if you click on generate, it will automatically see the background of the image and it will automatically try to increase the size of the image. You can see this, I have made the image cross and there is gap as well. So you can see this shows how the image looking before and after this is how it's looking. So it has automatically added some of the background here there. So I'll just show you once more in another photo, then you'll be able to understand it clearly. So let me take an image of this, click on AI edit. In this you can see I have zoomed out of the image and I have made this somewhat cross, and I will click on generate. So let us see if the missing part will be recorded by AI or not. So it is analyzing the image. Now let us see how far this AI goes. So you can see this has added the helmet image as well. In the previous photo, the helmet was only into half, but now it has generated a full image of it. And my hands were also only a less part of my hands were revealed, but in this it has created my own hands. So this is how this AI feature works. And now coming to the next part, we also have this notes. I have opened the notes and let's create a new note, and here I am writing so hi friends, this is Monish. We can select this and we can align it anywhere. So hi friends, I am selecting this and we can change the size of this and also change the style, colors of the text. You can see that the color has been changed, and now here also we can change the style of it. And here if you see this AI button, note assist, we can see auto format, summarize, translate or sketch to image. We can, if you have made a proper notes of this and if you click on summarize, it will automatically summarize the whole content for you with the help of AI. And now auto format. So if I auto format and make this into meeting notes, then the text I have written has been selected and generate text layout. So here it is saying can't auto format with the text less than 200 characters. So if you have more than 200 characters, you can try out this feature. And next feature, if you see, we can click on translate and the text has been translated, and we can convert this to English or Hindi or any other languages. I have selected the English to Hindi. Here you can see, hi dosto, ye hai Monish. So this is how this translate feature works in notes. And also the new feature is that if you select this text, you can see that the text has been forward moved in a horizontal way. So you can click on these three dots and align handwriting, and if you click on align handwriting, this will automatically make it in a straight paragraph type. So now this looks more clean and efficient. And now coming to the call features, if we click on calls and I am calling my another number, and you can see that I have got the call. And now let us see the features of this. So I am answering the call. Here you can see call assist. So I will click on text call, and in this text call,
to talk for me.
so here we got to see the message that now text call has been recorded. So now I am going to type message here. And I wrote hello Monish and I am sending. You can listen the voice.
Hello, Monish. How are you?
So me, instead of talking, the AI will automatically talk on its own. This is how this feature of call. So this is how the feature of this text works. And another assistant we got here is live translate. So live translate, it automatically translates the text to another language, and the listener can hear the AI generated audio which it is automatically translates. And I'll be showing the live demo of that as well. Now let us see this live translate option.
Hello. This call. Hello. कड़पा से तिरुपति तक की दूरी क्या है?
कड़पा से तिरुपति तक दूरी 180 किलोमीटर्स है.
The distance from Kadapa to Tirupati is 180 kilometers, right?
So this is how this live translate option works. With the help of this live translate, if the other person who is speaking doesn't know our language, the AI automatically converts the language and will make us able to understand it, as well as the listener also will be able to understand in his own language. Now we are going to test the recording feature in the AI recordings app. So now let us make a recording. Hi, my name is Monish from Technical Monish.
Hi, my name is Sai for Technical Monish.
Like the video.
Subscribe my channel.
So after recording the audio, let us save, and now I can see this button called transcribe. Now if you click on transcribe, then it will automatically read the voice and it will give the script. So here it shows speaker 1 and speaker 2. So speaker 1. Hi, my name is Monish from Technical Monish.
Hi, my name is Sai
And
for
speaker 2.
Technical Monish.
Like the video.
Subscribe my channel.
So this is how this AI detects the different speakers and shows us the context of each of the speaker. And if you click on summary, it also gives the summary, but the transcript is too short to summarize. So if you have a big conversation which is recorded, then we can easily summarize what are the main points in it by the generative AI of Samsung. And also we have this feature called as interpreter. So interpreter is used while if we are out of a city or new place and if we don't know the language of it, then we can use this.
Hi bro, how to go to Charminar?
चारमीनार में कैसे जाना है?
हैदराबाद में जाकर बस ले लो.
Go to Hyderabad and take a bus.
So this is how this interpreter feature works. Right now in India we have only this Hindi and English.
So sooner we will be getting access to all regional languages like Telugu, Tamil, Bengali and Malayalam. So let us also see the AI text assist feature. So if we write some message, so I am typing this message, and if you see here AI button, if you click on this, you can see few options: chart translation, spelling and grammar, writing style or composer. If you click on chart translation, we can select English to Hindi, and if we send the message, you can see hello, tum kaise ho. So the translation is only visible to us. So hello, I am quite good, well what can I do for you? So नमस्कार, मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ, मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ. This translation feature can only be seen by us. Next, if we see, and if we just click on this AI features again, and you can see the writing style. So original, I am also doing great. Professional, I am also performing well. Casual, I am doing great well too. And if you are writing a caption in the social media, then you can see hashtag social, I am also doing great. Hashtag happiness, life, good vibes. So it automatically added the hashtags as well. Polite, I am also doing very well. So we also have this writing styles in AI. And next, coming to the next feature, spelling and grammar. If we are having a big paragraph or a big message, and if you had any typos in it, the AI will automatically replace it. So checks and errors, it will be, so here you can see that it has added a full stop. So spelling and grammar will be also solved with the help of this AI. Then we have this composer. So if you want to write, instead of going to ChatGPT and asking the any AI model, if you want to write any message, here you can choose the way: standard, email, social media or comment. Then you can choose the mood of it as well: professional, casual, polite. And if you click on generate, then it will automatically give you a generated message. You can use this AI for making any text as well. So that is all the features in this Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more tech related content and productive videos. Till then, keep watching Technical Monish. Goodbye.